It's morning time. It was still somewhat windy and rainy, but not really too bad right now. Him eating his veggies. Oh, now he's just like, what are you looking at? Eat your veggies. This is their list of stuff that it eats and things. Old beard truck. He'd rather eat that than his crickets.
She was a fat American beard truck.
Okay, he finished his veggies. Now he's hunting. He got a cricket. Find another one. They're on top. There's one over there. It's falling. Oh, it's on the glass. Go get it. He's getting ready. He's like, I'm gonna sneak up on it. Slowly sneaking up on it. Go. Sneaking up on it. Quick, go get it.
He's gonna miss.
He's climbing. Oh, he got it. What? He's
So
gone
you
again.
will kill them.
The big cricket.
I never see that
What?
big before.
You don't catch it and give it to him? They're too big for him.
This is the Filipinos eat those crickets.
Oh, the big ones?
Yeah.
If you can catch enough of them. It's like I can't reach. What is happening? Why is this stump hollow?
You can take him out if you want.
Go get it.
He likes to run around on the couch.
Oh. Go get it.
But
Nope. Oh. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
so actually got grounded for a month. Because he lied about Ryan.
What?
We got grounded for 2 months because she lied about Ryan.
My sister made these delicious banana nut muffins. Really good. There's my Cybertruck Lost Horizon bed covered. It's getting really windy out here, and there's these birds just out here in the wind pecking at the grass. Quick, eat all the bugs before they fly away. Oh my goodness. Here you can get a better idea of the wind. And those birds don't care. They're just like, whatever, it's fine. See the little pond in the back. Oh, they're flying away. The rain, heavy rain is starting. They're pool's gonna be filled with mud pretty soon. No, you need the cement in there. So the lizards come in here.
Taking that on.
You can see the wind some more. It's blowing all those trees. Look, the birds are all eating the grass again. They don't care about the winds. They're just like, whatever. If it comes, we'll just fly somewhere. Ate some enchilada. Okay, we got some Welch's sparkling cider, turkey burger, lettuce, onion, tomato, pickles, and fries. Super windy. I don't know if you can see how windy it is out here. The hurricane is blowing everything around. It's too dark. And there's some very light rain blowing around.